Hi everyone, kumusta mo tanan? Again, I'm Xerxes and I am a certified essential oil specialist here in Cebu, Philippines. And today I will show you how I create a DIY shampoo and just using pure essential oils and castile soap and water. Okay, there are no harmful substances or ingredients in our shampoo, and you could easily do this at home too. All right. Okay, so I will show you the materials and ingredients that I have prepared for this DIY. So this is a 500 ml amber bottle, but I'm just using half of it. And I have a beaker in here. I also have a Polysorbate 80, which acts as a dispersant or solubilizer. I have my castile soap infused with ilang-ilang. And I have also another unscented castile soap, coconut base. And grapeseed oil as my carrier oil. And I have some tea tree pure essential oil. I also have bergamot. I also have cedar wood, perfect for hair. Lavender as well. And distilled water. So let us now start mixing our ingredients. I need a half teaspoon of grapeseed oil. Now I know that we are making a shampoo, but grapeseed oil is also perfect for it. So let's just add a teaspoon of grapeseed oil. And I like grapeseed oil because it's good for the hair. It's so lightweight and it could penetrate the hair. And I might need to dilute the pure essential oils in here since we are using 250 ml of liquid. So I'm gonna add first the cedar wood, which is our base note. I'm gonna add about 20 drops of it. And cedar wood has been used for the hair too, for hair growth and everything. So it's nice that we need to have this in our shampoo. Next is I'm gonna also add 20 drops of lavender, and lavender is also known for hair growth. It's also calming and relaxing, so it's perfect that we add this in our shower. So we just need to add 20 drops of lavender or the Lavandula angustifolia. Okay, so I'm almost done. All right. Next, we're gonna add tea tree oil. And I know that tea tree is also good for the hair, guys, and it's so relaxing as well, and it's perfect. So we have to add this, again, 10 drops of tea tree oil. Next, let's add some bergamot, 10 drops of bergamot, and I know that it's so refreshing when you go out of the shower. It gives you that revitalizing energy. So we just need to add 10 drops of bergamot. Bergamot is also our top note in here as well as the tea tree. So it's a good blend of aromatic and therapeutic benefits. And let's give it a good swirl. You don't need to shake it that much, just a gentle swirl will do. Right, and this time let's add our surfactant, or what we call a dispersant, which is the Polysorbate 80. It's very safe. It's usually added in food making. Let's just have a teaspoon of our Polysorbate 80. This would allow our essential oils and our carrier oil to blend well with water since we are adding water in it. Although we have the castile soap, but I just wanted the pure essential oils and carrier oils to blend well together in water, because we all know that water and oil don't mix together. So just a teaspoon would do. Now I have a graduated cylinder in here, and I was gonna add 50 ml, about 50 ml of castile soap. This is the ilang-ilang infused castile soap, but it doesn't have any strong ilang-ilang scent, so it's just good. And I love ilang-ilang in my shampoo. So I just love the scent. So pretty much around 50 ml will do. Okay. Now we're also gonna add another unscented Castile soap, which is coconut. Okay, because I just wanted to give it a good lather, and that's why I'm adding the coconut Castile soap. And here in the Philippines, we have lots of coconuts, so I guess we are the second producer of coconut in the world. So we're so abundant with it. And yeah, I'm just mixing the two Castile soap in a graduated cylinder that's around 100 ml. And I'm gonna add it to the mixture that I have a while ago, which is pure essential oils and the grapeseed oil and Polysorbate 80. I'm just gonna mix them and give it a good swirl. So as you can see, it's like having some bubbles. It's like soapy. It's pretty much like a shampoo already, but I'm still gonna add some distilled water in it. So this is around 110 ml of water, distilled water. But it's up to you. You could actually change the recipe. You could add 800 ml of Castile soap or around 200 ml of Castile soap, but I prefer to add water in it, distilled water in it. And I have here, this is the 500 ml amber glass bottle, but I just need half of it. So I will just fill half of the glass. So I'm now pouring in the shampoo that I just created into this amber bottle because I don't have a 250 ml bottle. So I'm just using this one. And in case you are a bit clumsy in the bathroom, I would suggest that you use a plastic or a PET bottle rather than these glass bottle, but since I'm the one using it, so it's okay. So let's test it. Squeeze it. Okay, I don't have a foam pump, so the pump that I have is just the regular one, but it's good to go. So as you can see, I made a mess here on my table, but yeah, if you put that on your hair, it would really lather that much. So that is ready your shampoo without any harmful ingredients and harmful or toxic chemicals. So thanks for watching, guys, and hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up as well, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button in case I have new videos. You'll get notified as well. All right, so there you go, guys. Once again, this is Hershey, or this is Xerxes, and all together, let's get oily. Goodbye.